2002 Toyota Camry. Grab your plastic trim tool. Start here on the corner. Careful not to snap the corner. They do like to break. Just work your way around. If you have two, even better. There, snap that out. As you can see, there's two clips, one on this side, one on this side. And just unplug the cables. So push down on the tab in the center, wiggle, slide that out. Same with this one. And there you have it. And for the radio, it's a similar process. Work your way around. There you go, and you gotta unplug the clock and just push down on the tab, wiggle that out of there. Then you want to remove the 4 10mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Grab a 10mm with an extension and remove those. Careful not to let them fall down into the dashboard. With those 4 bolts removed, pull forward on the radio. Here on the bottom side of the radio, grab hold of the antenna, pull outward on it. And these two, just push in on the tab, and slide those out. And here's the part number information if you need it.